Got that Speedway coffee.
For a small smoothie for just a buck. All flavors, all fun. Just even better. Come inside for a delicious, satisfying breakfast.
Roll by Goodyear comes to you.
2.0 supercharged Ecotech. Cold air intake, cooling mods. 2.8 pulley from ZZP. It's probably like around 240, 260 I would have to guess. Wheel horsepower. Not 100% sure. What's up, guys? So today I'm getting rid of the Saturn Redline. Had her for about a couple years. She's been good to me so far, but it's about time to let her go. I got some ugly floor mats, but there goes the extra shift knob. I'm giving it away with the car because I don't need it. But it sucks because it started to rain. But I just washed and waxed this thing and now it's starting to rain. But yeah, 2.0 supercharged. It only has a couple miles on it. Well, 56,000. The competition package came with the Recaros. Everything works. Sounds okay. Here goes the exhaust clip.